About to pull out this camshaft real quick. Let me see. I should probably do it with 2 hands. Yeah, let me stop.
I watch how smoke can't get too fried. I gotta take risks for the cake, I can't live my average life. It's way too cold in the streets everywhere that I go, man, I take that fire. I'll never leave my... I swear that I'll never leave my fire. Circle the whole damn ocean dry.
That cam came out, it was in good condition, man. You should go see it, it's over there. We got the full performance B cam going in. What's it gonna make? What's the sound it's gonna make when it's on? Boom! Nah, that shit gonna rumble. That shit gonna rumble. Generously.
I'm really seeing though. I'm really about the paper, chasing all the notes. The nitties clucking, then they call my phone. Getting paid up off them little stones. My Z keeps the smoke with him, even when he sleeps. We ain't lacking on the streets, my niggas TTG. EGE, everybody's gonna eat. I close my eyes, I think about them nights all in the tea. If my place empty, then I'ma take from yours. Just a young one on the block, I started with the drawers. I was chasing
Raise it up. Yeah.
now it's USD.
You can start that. No, I wouldn't do that.
No, go on.
That's not the it's the jump.
Yeah, because it's going into that thing there.
Now we're about to throw on this timing chain. We got this comps cam timing chain. See? Timing cover back on. New water pump on. Everything torqued up. I just gotta re-torque these bottom ones down here. Oh shit, let me cover that up. Now I'm gonna use this. I already coated this with Osfo. Gonna just quickly get it protected. And then I got the retrofit lifters pulling up today with FedEx. But let me get this spray going just to get that protected. I probably need a new one, but we'll deal with that later. Actually, first, before I spray, I'm gonna get the wire wheel and just take up all the asphalt that's dried and stuff, and then I'll go ahead and spray it, get that protected, and then get back to the engine, man. We making progress. We're making progress. Got the new radiator. Been using Felpro on all of this shit on the car, so might as well just got it on the water pump and the timing cover. Put it down.
Just as a teen, just serving J's. Then I started shooting the J's on the court. Young nigga found me away. Hopped up the trap when I started to hoop. Caught me a flight to the States. I went left to get them papes. Couldn't do this shit no more. Till bro put me in the game, yeah. They be saying that less is more, but I need like 300 or 400 foul. Growing up, just pressing that roll, thank God for the hoops that I made it out. Growing up, broke, we were so damn poor. Me and bro wouldn't break for them shit. We were sleeping on sofas and sleeping on floors. And I built me a line, I was selling them drawers. It's ironic, we ain't have no drawers. Had a clothes in a bag and a closet right under the stairs, 3 steps on the door. Never had a place to crash. Brain down the door.
Feel some dust.
Just walked in the room and I seen that young. In my raps no fables. Sucking my thumb in a trap from young. It's kinda hard to hit my mum, cause when I seen her with that stuff, I swear it made me feel so numb, yeah. It's old. Stateside now, you know how it goes.
Let's try this again.
Got my brothers to the end. Yeah. It's old. Come on. You know what it is. Yo, you can see
That's 2 for 2. 2 for 2. Oh. Now we just gotta throw it all back together. Let me see. Oh, there you go. Crazy. Crazy. There was already machine and they got upgraded valve springs already. I know you see the, where is it at? I know you see the GT40P. The GT40P. What?
Doesn't it come across?
No, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, no.
That's what we following, guys. Yeah. First step.
You're talking about the combined, all 8 cylinders goes onto the cam. Yeah. So you got the harmonic thing, because if you didn't have that.
Woo! See? Look.
Yeah.
I got my side, he got his side. Now they've got some factory length push rods. They're hardened. Hopefully they work though.
He's talking about 6 point something 5 something, all that shit.
Yeah, but we'll do it by eye. We'll do it by eye. Shit. Got no choice. Got no choice. Do it by eye, man. Got no choice. What happens when you get it out of the mud? What happens when you don't stop hustling CSH daily? Well, we can't use these because these are from a flat tappet block. So they're mad long. But we will be using, I'm being cheap, but I'm probably gonna reuse these shits, honestly. So let me get, this should be 1 and 2.
Is that the right
That
length?
looked like it was the right length. We're putting it up against these, a stock length for the rollers. I'm gonna put it in here. Should just drop into the lifter. There.
Yeah, that's the idea.
Yeah, and then we've got to draw. Oh, I've got to draw the. Can you get the Sharpie and just color in this circle? Where'd you put it? I didn't move it, so wherever you touch, put it.
I gave it to you.
No, you didn't. No, you did not pass me the Sharpie. Can you color that in, please?
Color what in?
This. The whole top. I'm pretty sure this way. Can you do more with under my bed? Alright, perfect. I'm trolling, but let me see it real quick. There's just a tiny bit in this corner, but you can't see it though.
Yeah.
That's the line. What's gonna make the line?
So we're gonna have to turn the crank off.
Yeah.
Well, that's gonna need to be tightened down then.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. We're just gonna get it to this, and then I'm gonna torque it down or whatever. I'm pretty sure we gotta torque it down, but let's see.
You got the 24 right?
I'm cranking and see what's up.
Is it in gear?
Is that what it sounds like?
No, because it sounds like it doesn't move.
Step 1, make sure the car's not in gear. Neutral.
Was it in neutral?
No, now it's in neutral.
Okay. Yeah, that's come fresh, man.
It's supposed to sound like that?
Huh?
It's supposed to sound like that?
That's what happens, isn't it? Compression, isn't it?
I don't know. Shit.
Yeah, it's a compression engine, isn't it? Did you even tighten it up?
Yeah, he said do it by hand. He said do it till you can't twist it no more by hand. Two different lines. On my cook chat.
No, that's not two different lines. That's the same thing. Look at the. Why you do that to me, man?
Why are you trying to take it out of my hand?
No, I was just trying to turn it over.
For what?
Look. That's what it is. That's why it's like it looks like two lines, but that's the imprint.
Okay.
Of that, yeah. That's the imprint
Should
of
we
it.
just pray to God and just go?
If you don't want it to work, it ain't gonna work.
Right?
Exactly.
So we just send it.
Yeah, man.
We going stock length pressurized, man. Don't try this at home.
Did you want what? Did you want to get custom length or something? Did you need to get custom?
Nah, I don't think so.
You got the heads. You got the rods to go with everything that you've got.
Yeah,
innit?
this is stock. This shit is stock.
Yeah.
But there's a B cam in there. The B cam's not stock. Let me just do some research real quick. Well, we probably gonna run with these.
You want to say that you might need smaller ones.
Longer or smaller. It's not the distributor that I'm gonna use on the car, but I just put it there to just mock things up. I got one coming in from CJ Pony Parts with a steel gear, because this was a flat tappet block, so it had a flat tappet. It has a cast iron gear on the end of it, so I'm gonna just swap them out. I probably should have done this a lot sooner. I did try it already, but I need to put in the headers. I also need to run to the hardware store and get some longer bolts to go in these 4. But everything, all the vacuum lines are connected up. Everything's torqued up. Shit, it should be good to go as soon as that distributor comes in. It's been a journey, but we really just did a whole new top end. Wasn't really the intention, but we got it done. Probably should give it a little cleanup, but hey man, I just want to drive this shit so bad. I was so close to driving it before. Then I snapped the bolt on the valve cover. Hey man, I hope it all goes well and it starts. I mean, I know shit don't always go well with these cars, but I know these cars are monsters. I put a new fuel rail in there, but I used these parts, I don't even know what they're called. I guess there's more fuel rails, but this part I replaced. It's kind of intimidating, honestly. Got my distributor dropped in. Pretty sure it faces spark plug 1. But right now I'm trying to advance the timing, because I've been reading that if you try and start it at 0, it's bad. So yeah, that's what we're working on right now. Everything else is done apart from the coolant. And I gotta bolt the headers to the mid pipe, and I gotta cut these bolts to 6.5 inch for the upper intake. Then we're good. So I'm gonna just keep going away at this, trying to make sure it's advanced so they can start good when I start it up. Now we gotta figure this shit out. Wasn't getting no spark. I tested here with a spare spark plug. It's probably still in there. Yeah, I tested it. to see if it was if I was getting spark. I wasn't. I'm about to put it at 0 and then drop it in. I'm gonna forget all of that advanced shit because I had advanced it to 10. I tried to advance it to 10 and I feel like that was fucking me up. So what I'm gonna do, and then also I'm gonna make sure that this TFI module is plugged in properly because I don't know if I did plug it in properly, and we'll go from there, man. Oh shit. Oh shit.